In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily and weekly planner in Clickup. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting to get organized, creating a planner can significantly boost your productivity and keep you on track with your tasks. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Clickup. It's an all-encompassing work management app, perfect for organizing projects, tasks, and your entire workflow. Open your web browser and enter the URL clickup.com. Once you're there, the next step is logging into your account. You'll see the login option, so go ahead and click on it. If you're using Google to sign in, you'll find a very handy sign in option. This integration allows seamless access without remembering an additional password. Click on Sign in with Google, and this should direct you to a page where you can select your Google account. Choose the one you use for Clickup and you should be seamlessly logged in. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see various lists corresponding to your projects and tasks. These lists are versatile, allowing you to organize your work based on different criteria. Locate any list, then click on the three-dot icon. This will let you customize your workspace, and you're one step closer to creating your planner. You'll see an option for templates right there in the list menu. Click on templates to open the template menu. Now, to make the most of what Clickup offers, go ahead and click on Browse Templates. This will allow you to see all the ready-made templates available for different needs, saving you from starting from scratch. Next, make your way to the search bar where you'll type in weekly to filter the templates specific to weekly planners. This brings up a selection of templates that suit various planning styles. Choose a template that fits your needs. Once you find one that you think looks good, the next step is quite straightforward. Click on Quick Use. This option allows you to use the template immediately without going through any additional setup. After clicking Quick Use, the template will be added to your workspace. Finally, navigate to the newly added Weekly Planner section. From here, you have full control and customization options. Click on it to start editing the planner so it fits your specific daily and weekly tasks. Add tasks, adjust timeframes, and input any relevant details that will help increase your productivity. And there you have it, your very own daily and weekly planner setup in Clickup. By following these steps, you can plan your week efficiently, keep track of daily activities, and ensure you meet deadlines smoothly. Thanks for following along, and happy planning with ClickUp.